What's up, guys? Never mind. I'm not going to introduce myself. You'll find out more about me. But in this video today, we'll be installing a tuner in a bike that weighs less than my toolbox. Alright, let's unbox this thing. Alright. So here's the tuner itself. Pretty nice quality. And then here is cable, and then another cable. And that's it. Alright, first thing we're going to do is unlatch the seat. Set this over here, because I don't need that. Also don't need that anymore. There's a red plug right here. There we go. Take that, don't need that. We're going to take our cord and our tuner. We're going to get these little ties off of here. Just throw those, you don't need them, trust me. Throw that one too, you don't also need that one. This one is just gonna plug in right where you unplug that. So, and then once this is done, write complete. To verify, flash, turn key off, and then on. Okay. Okay, now let's try starting it. Okay, now we can unplug this, just like that. And we're going to take our little red cap, put it back on there. Okay. And just like that. Now we put the seat back on. Maybe. Okay. Done. Well, that was easier than expected. Next video will be installing a cold air intake, so stay tuned for that one. And then we'll take it for a test ride and see how it does. Peace out, y'all.